Very tasty broccoli rice. The rice grains are not sticking to each other. It's separate. And red color of the bell pepper gives it a different dimension altogether. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook some broccoli rice. It's a very simple rice recipe. I have 1.5 cups of basmati rice. I already pre-soaked for 15 minutes in lukewarm water and rinsed and kept it ready. And I have some broccoli here. So there are two processes involved. I'm going to cook the rice separate, basmati rice. I want to keep the white color of the rice, so I don't want to use any spices in it other than the whole spices. This is 1.5 cups of basmati rice, so I probably will use 2.5 cups of water for the rice to cook. I'm going to use the whole broccoli, so I'm going to use the stem so I can saute the stems first, and I'm slicing it very thinly. I'm keeping it separate because I'm going to saute the stems first. It has more cooking time. Going to heat the pan, put some oil. I'm going to add the garlic. Going to add the broccoli stems. I'm going to add the chopped broccoli in it. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. Cover it and cook it for another minute. Cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Looks good now. The color is still the bright green, but it is kind of crunchy but cooked. This is what we need. I'm going to take it out again. I'm going to use the same vessel for sauteing the onion and spices. I'm going to add a little oil. I'm using sunflower oil. I'm going to use the whole spices in it. One cardamom, 2 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick. I can smell that spices now. I'm going to add the onion. Actually, the shallot and the green onion stems I'm adding right now. Into that, I'm going to add my ginger and green chili paste. I took 2 green chilies and an inch piece of ginger, but I'm using only half. I'm going to preserve it for another recipe I have. So, and little bit of the garlic again. That may be one small clove of garlic, just little bit flavor. It is cooking sauce. We are going to add the bell pepper, red bell pepper. I'm just adding it for the color. It's a nice color. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt here for these onions. Just half a teaspoon. Not half teaspoon. I use 1/4 a teaspoon for my salt. So I always add it 1/4 teaspoon increment. I pre-cooked the rice, so I'm going to put it on top. For the rice, I'm again adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't need a lot of salt for the rice. I'm going to add the green onions on top. Mix it a little bit with the rice so the flavors goes into rice. And I'm going to add my cooked broccoli on top. I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 2 minutes. I just kept it covered for a minute, 2 minutes actually. I'm going to stir this in. Like, you can add a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of ghee for the ghee flavor. And our broccoli rice is ready. To be served. I'm going to switch off the stove now. The stove is hot, so that heat will. Very tasty broccoli rice. The rice grains are not sticking to each other. It's separate. And the red color of the bell pepper gives it a different dimension altogether. Here is my healthy broccoli rice. It is served now. You can serve it with any curries. Today I'm going to serve it with chole. That is chana masala. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video with your family and friends. Thank you.